Hello, hello. Welcome to this week's How To Tuesday. I'm so excited today. Which else is new, right? I'm always excited because I love teaching so much, you guys. We're going to use a few different mediums today. I found some new things and I want a new technique and we're going to play. Of course, it's going to be portrait based. It's abstract portrait, but I thought it would be fun to mix things up a little bit. I'm trying to find new unconventional ways to use ordinary tools, ordinary things around the house, plus our regular tools that we use when we create. So before I get started, I want to say thank you so much for being here. It is an honor to teach you every week. I love that we get together every week and spend some time on Tuesdays with How To Tuesday videos. If you like what you're seeing and you're enjoying How To Tuesdays, please like and subscribe and click the bell. Then we have guaranteed personal one-on-one playtime together. And if you're someone who is new, welcome to my channel. It is lovely to have you here. If you are someone who has been watching for a while and has been on the fence, and also to my new people, I would love for you to check out my Patreon channel. My Patreon channel is where you can get the real-time instruction of every How To Tuesday video. It's so much fun over there right now. I'd be honored if you check it out and see what it is that I offer and join me, and then we can have guaranteed special one-on-one, at least an hour every Tuesday together to play and create. Okay, so let's get into what we have here. Your ordinary, if you have saran wrap, which I do not, you can use that too, but also ordinary. You can also use like a deli paper if you want to. I wanted to use something that I could see clear through. So I'm just going to use this sandwich bag. I'll cut it open so that I have more surface to work with. And you're like, what is she going to do with that? I don't know. And then I found these, there's like a local little kind of like antique shop by me, antique repurposed shop. And they had a ton of these different paints and colors. They had little small sample ones. But of course, in my favorite colors, they only had the big ones, so I had to get the big ones. What are you gonna do? It's called Fusion Mineral Paint. It has zero VOC water-based, created for exceptional coverage, mostly for furniture, but it dries matte. So I was super excited about this. I'm not sure how well it's gonna work because I haven't really played with it yet. These are brand new bottles. It says, we make transforming furniture and DIY projects simple, just clean, degloss, and a light scuff and sanding. Remove any wax before getting started. Our mineral paint glides on and dries to a beautiful matte finish. I'm all about the matte finish. I love that. That's one of the things I'm not super crazy about with acrylic paint is the sheen of it. So we'll see how this goes. It's not a chalk paint, I asked that, but I'm going to test it because I grabbed my Carb chalk pastel pencils, so I'm going to test it to see if these go over it that well. Yeah, so we're going to play. These, of course, this is coral and this is curiously pink, and I'm super excited to use these. These are gorgeous colors. I also grabbed some white gesso just in case I want to mess around. Like I said, I grabbed my Carbothellos. I have both the cool and the warm. And I also grabbed my Neocolors, and this is why I grabbed the gesso because these are Neocolor 2 water soluble, and they're glorious. There's 3 different trays in here, and they're just so darn much fun to play with. It's like, if you like crayons and coloring, you're gonna love these. Except the beauty of them is that they're water soluble, where crayons are not. They're water soluble, and you can activate with any wet medium, water. You could do gesso, you could do clear gesso, anything that's wet, basically, you can activate with. And I just grabbed a scrub brush because it's going to be rough. It's not going to be super fine detail. I have a pencil, which I'm not sure I'm going to use, and my Tombow Mononoke eraser. And I grabbed my scissors just because I want to cut this open. I'm going to cut this off. After I cut this off and open, we will get started. Just a pair of scissors. Okay, come on. And then I'll just cut the sides. And we'll have something to play with. Oh, and this is my 140-pound Fabriano hot press watercolor paper. It's just my substrate. And then I've taped it down with my Pro Artist tape. My Pro Artist tape. I always do that so you guys can see the inside of the maker. And that's that. All right, so I'm going to clean up a little bit and make some room, and then we'll get started. Okay, be right back.